hosting an event of any kind, it's time to thoughtfully adapt and innovate in a way that will set you up for success in the long term. Virtual and hybrid events present opportunities that in-person events have yet to afford, including rich data insights, increased personalization, and the ability to engage a broader audience. To do it successfully, organizations need tools and technology that enable engagement and community building. Existing solutions accomplish pieces of this, but we believe in a tailored approach that goes far beyond off-the-shelf options. Nerdery considers what makes your event special and outlines a strategy for recreating those elements in a virtual or hybrid environment. Creating the best possible experience may mean working with the technology you already have in place, leveraging leading event platforms, building something custom, or likely a combination of all of these. So the result is a solution that's customized to your specific needs. It will help you engage with your audience both formally and organically, all the while collecting real-time data to power your business. Through digital, we can access a number of possibilities and lay the foundation for the future of events.